Free Claude Code and OmniRoute just changed everything, and today I'm going to show you exactly why using the actual system I built it inside of. If you've ever used Claude Code, you know the pain. You're deep into building something good, everything's flowing, and then boom, you hit a limit. You're told you're approaching your usage limit, and now you have to stop or wait or slow down. Well, that pain might be over. There's a setup, and it lets you use Claude Code without getting cut off. It's called OmniRoute, and I've got it running live right here inside my agent operating system, so you can watch exactly how it works. Let me break it down in the simplest way I can. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so here's the big idea. OmniRoute is a tool that connects to over 200 different AI providers through one single link. A lot of those providers are free to use. So instead of relying on just one AI and hitting a wall, you now have a huge lineup of options standing behind you. Here's how it works in plain English. You plug OmniRoute into something called Free Claude Code. That's an open source tool that lets you point Claude Code at any brain you want instead of just one single model. Look at what's happening on screen right now. This is that setup running live inside my agent OS. I pointed at OmniRoute, and OmniRoute quietly finds a free provider to work with. And here's the part that really matters. If one provider gets busy or stops working or hits its own limit, OmniRoute just switches you to the next one. You don't even notice it happening. You just keep building. No stopping. No waiting around, no losing your momentum halfway through a project. Now watch this, because this is the part I actually want you to focus on. This whole setup lives inside my agent operating system, right here in this one tab. That's the piece that ties everything together. It's not just OmniRoute on its own, it's OmniRoute plugged into a full system where you've also got free Claude Code, Codex, and Claude itself all sitting side by side, ready whenever you need them. Let's talk about why this actually matters for you, especially if you're trying to grow a business with AI. Say you want to build a landing page, not just any landing page, but one for a business like the AI Profit Boardroom itself. You could type a simple instruction like this: build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that shows how AI automation brings in more leads, more customers, and more traffic, and explain the community in a way that feels exciting and easy to follow. And you can see it right here on screen. The tool goes off and builds the whole thing. Full page, full structure, and you get a live preview as it's happening. That's the kind of thing you can pull off inside this agent OS. Full websites, blog posts, small internal tools, all while barely touching your token limit, because you're pulling from a big pool of free providers instead of just one. One thing I really like about this setup is how it handles token use. Normally, every message you send and every response you get eats into your limit. This setup combines a couple of compression methods behind the scenes to cut down how many tokens get used, in some cases by a huge amount. What that means for you is simple. You get to build more for longer before ever bumping into a wall. Now, before I go any further, I need to point you somewhere. Everything I'm showing you on screen right now, this exact agent operating system with OmniRoute, free Claude Code, and everything else already plugged in and working, that's something you can get for yourself. You don't have to build it from scratch. You can get the complete agent OS system ready to install inside the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and grow with AI automation. It comes with the full zip file for the exact system you're watching me use right now, already set up, already working. The link is in the comments and description. Okay, let's keep going because there's a lot more to show you. Another thing worth mentioning is how it handles memory, and you can see this working live on screen too. If you're using a memory system, or you just have notes on how you want your content to sound, you can link that up inside the agent OS. So say you want your landing pages, blog posts, or emails to sound a certain way, maybe more direct, maybe more friendly, whatever fits your brand. You write that down once, and the tool remembers it every time it builds something new for you. That means better output right from the first try, and way less time spent fixing things afterward. There's also a live preview built right in, which is exactly what you're seeing on screen as we go. While it's building your page, your blog, or your app, you can actually watch it come together in real time. You click on a page, you see it live, you can open it in a new tab if you want a closer look, and everything it builds gets saved locally on your own computer. So if you ever think, wait, where did that page go? Don't worry, it's sitting right there in your workspace waiting for you. Now let's talk settings, because this part is actually really smart. Inside OmniRoute, you can choose how you want it to behave. If you just want fast results, there's a fast mode. If you want better quality for coding tasks, there's a coding focus mode that leans on stronger models for that job. You can even run parts of it offline. So depending on what you're building, whether it's something quick and simple or something more detailed, you can match the tool to the job in front of you right from inside the Agent OS. And here's something worth remembering: whether you use this tool or not, you don't need the biggest, most powerful AI model for every single task. If you're writing a quick blog post, drafting a landing page, or putting together an outline for your next piece of content, you don't need to pull out your top tier model every single time. Save that firepower for the big, important work. Use setups like this one for the quick wins, the small builds, the everyday stuff that adds up over time. Setting this whole thing up is also way easier than it sounds. You don't need to be a coder to get it running. There's a simple command you run, you switch it over, and it becomes one tab inside your Agent OS, just like what you're watching right now. And if that still sounds like too much, here's a trick worth knowing. You can literally paste the setup information into an AI chat and ask it to configure everything for you step by step. That's actually how this was tested, and it went smoothly. It also connects with a big range of coding agents, not just one. So whether you're used to a certain tool already or you're just getting started, there's a good chance it slots right into the same Agent OS you're seeing built out on screen. Now, I want you to think about how you could use something like this inside your own business. Maybe it's building quick landing pages to test new offers before you commit real time to them. Maybe it's drafting blog posts to bring in more traffic every single week. Maybe it's building small internal tools that save your team time every single day. Things like a simple tracker, a content calendar, or a form that used to take hours to set up. Whatever it is, the idea stays the same. Use this kind of unlimited building power for the smaller stuff, so you can save your best hours and your best tools for the big moves that actually move your business forward. That's really the shift here. This isn't about replacing your other tools completely. It's about giving yourself more room to build, test, and create without the constant worry of running dry halfway through a project. It's about momentum, and momentum is what actually gets things finished. I'll say this too, because it matters. You're not always going to get the exact same level of output you'd get from a top tier model on every single task. But for quick builds, simple pages, and everyday content, what you get back is genuinely useful, and it looks good. That's the trade worth knowing about going in. So here's what I want you to do right now. Think about one thing you've been putting off building because you were worried about hitting a limit. A landing page you keep meaning to test. A blog series you haven't started. A simple tool your team keeps asking for. Drop it in the comments below, because Julian reads every single one, and he might even show you exactly how to build it in a future video. Before you go, remember everything I showed you on screen today, this exact Agent OS with OmniRoute and free Claude code already wired in, ready to install with the full zip file, is waiting for you inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and grow with AI automation, and it's linked in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, the step-by-step guides, and over 100 AI use cases like the one I just showed you, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free to join. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the notes from this video there. Plus, you'll be part of a community of 38,000 people who are building real things with AI, just like what we covered today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.